Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we have what is commonly known as a jewelry tree. We have two different ones here, two different castings, and the customer sent these in for us to actually clean up. And we're actually going to do this in a two-step process. We're going to start off using soda to basically clean these first. Then we're going to switch over to a glass bead and see if we can't put a little bit of a polished finish on these. Very interesting pieces, a lot of intricate detail there. So let's see what we can do with vapor hunting. We've got that piece finished up, ready to go back to the customer. We'll see what his reactions are to it, but I think the thing looks amazing, and we've probably taken away about 3 processes that they normally have to do. If you've got any questions or comments, give us a call, 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.